In this video, I'm going to explain about range in measures of dispersion. The word dispersion means scatter, spread or variation. So the definition of measures of dispersion is the measure of the variation of items. That is, it measures the extent to which the items vary from some central value. Next, the following are the various methods of studying dispersion are: first one is range, second interquartile range and quartile deviation, third one is standard deviation, fourth one is mean deviation or average deviation, and fifth one is Lorentz curve. The first two, that is range and quartile deviation, are called positional measures because they depend on the values at a particular position in the distribution. The next two, that is standard deviation and mean deviation, are called calculation measures of deviation because all of the values are employed in their calculation. And the last one, that is Lorentz curve, is a graphic method. Now we learn about range in measures of dispersion. First formula for range is range equal to L minus S, that is, it is the difference between the largest and the smallest of the observation. So formula for range is L minus S. Next, coefficient of range. Formula for coefficient of range is L minus S divided by L plus S. Now we will solve an example. In this example, we have to find range and coefficient of range for the following data. So here we have a series of data, that is 25, 36 and so on till 34. So now we have to find smallest and largest value. So first smallest value, that is S. So here S value, that is minimum value, 22, and largest value, that is L. So largest value in the given series of data is 46. So now we'll find range. So formula for range is L minus S. So L value is 46 minus S, that is smallest value, 22. So if you subtract, you will get 24. So this is the value of range. Next we have to find coefficient of range. Formula for coefficient of range is L minus S divided by L plus S. So substitute the values. L, that is 46 minus S is 22 divided by 46 plus 22. So first if you subtract, you will get 24 divided by, if you add, you will get 68. So now divide. So 24 divided by 68, that is 0.35. So this is the coefficient of range value. Next example, again we have to find range and coefficient of range, but in this problem we have the data are given in the form of continuous series. So that is marks, class limit values are given 10 to 20, 20 to 30 till 50 to 60, and corresponding frequency value, that is number of students, is given 8, 10, 12, 8 and 4. So now we have to find the largest and smallest value. So for that you have to consider this class limit. So class limit largest value is 60 and class limit lowest value is 10. So this is L and S. So L value is 60, that is class limit largest frequency value, that is 60, and the smallest value is just 10. So L is 60 and S is 10. So first formula for range equal to L minus S. So that is 60 minus 10. So answer is 50. So range value is 50. Next, coefficient of range. So formula for coefficient of range is L minus S divided by L plus S. So that is 60 minus 10 divided by 60 plus 10. So if you subtract, you will get 50 divided by, if you add, you will get 70. So 50 divided by 70 value is 0.714. So this is the value of coefficient of range. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on like button, and for further notification please press the bell icon. Thank you.